So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake your Trader Joe tokens on OKX exchange. Okay, so this exchange is giving a very good APY on Trader Joe tokens. So if you have Trader Joe tokens, you can earn passive income on this token. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can stake and earn passive income. So if you don't have account on OKX exchange, I have given the link in the description. Make sure to create account through my link. So if you create account through my link, you will get $10 in Bitcoin instantly and you can claim $25 extra welcome bonus. So here just enter your email, enter your password and click on continue to create your account on OKX exchange. Okay, so after creating account, just open your OKX exchange. Okay, so you will see this interface of OKX exchange. Okay, you will see this interface and here are different features of OKX exchange. Here you can see all the different features, but you have to click on here earn option. Okay, you can see this earn option. Just click on here and you will see all the tokens that are available on OKX exchange that you can stake and earn passive income on all the coins. So but in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can stake your Trader Joe tokens and earn up to 50% APY. So here you can see that they have different options. They have dual investment, they have saving options, staking, DeFi, Ethereum too. They have different amazing options. But just scroll down and here you can see all the products that are available, that are all the coins tokens that are available to stake. Okay, so there are many tokens that you can stake in OKX exchange. So here just scroll down and here you can see that Joe token. Okay, so APY is 51% APY. Okay, so here you can see the get now option. So if I scroll here, you can see the get now option. Just click on here. So if I just click on here get now option, you will see this interface. Okay, so here are two different terms. Okay, one term is 30 days. You can stake your tokens for 30 days and you will get 51% APY, which is amazing APY. And here you can see the minimum and maximum amount. Okay, minimum is 1 tokens and you can stake maximum 2,500 Joe tokens. Okay, so just scroll down and here you can see all the details. So if you subscribe today, you will see this time. Okay, so your reward will be distribute after 1 day. Okay, here you can see that. And if you want to unstake your Joe tokens, you can stake your Joe tokens in only 1 day. So redemption time is 1 day. Okay, so the expiration time is 13. Okay, means after 30 days your staking will be expired and you have to stake your Joe tokens again and you will get your reward daily automatically in your account. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. So just here click on here and enter your amount. So if I stake 2,500 Joe tokens, here you can see that I will get almost 3.5 Joe tokens per day. You don't have to do anything. You will get your tokens automatically, which you will earn in your account. Okay, so this is the method that how you can stake your tokens for 30 days. But if you want to stake for 15 days, you will get less APY. Okay, so I just click on 15 days and here you can see that I will get only 37 APY. Okay, so here you can also see the maximum and minimum limit. Here you can only stake 1800 Joe tokens and here if you want to stake, just enter your tokens and you will earn almost 1.82 Joe tokens per day automatically in your account. Okay, so here enter your amount and just click on subscribe. Your tokens will be staked and enjoy amazing passive income. Okay, so that's all in this video, that how you can stake your Trader Joe tokens on OKX exchange. So if you don't have account on OKX exchange, just click the link in the description and you will see this interface. Okay, so make sure to sign up and enjoy Trader Joe staking and earn passive income. So that's all in this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.